Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about cleaning data. So data cleaning is a key part of data science because our models accuracy, let's say, depends uh, on data, on quality data that our model trained on. Mm, So at the beginning, it might be seems like it's very frustrating. Uh, uh, so when we build when we are building or when we are training our model, uh, uh, the most of the part of time we will focus on data cleaning. Uh, so why it's important? Because when we have data set, there might be some let's say some errors maybe in data set. It will look like none or none, so it's basically null, so it means there is nothing, or there is no any data. So we have to when we are reading and we are looking and analyzing data, we have to anyway we are going to deal with these nonce, and the main part is how we are going to deal with some nonce or nulls. So first idea that comes to our mind is just deleting the cells, but we cannot delete specific cells because if we have amount of a large data set, it's going to take a long time. So we have to somehow do automatically. So we have one of the methods is we have dropping columns that have nulls or nones. Dropping data, it's not very good option because we might lost a lot of useful data. So for example, if we had in our data set let's say 100 columns, and if we do drop na method, it's going to be look for every cell, and where it recognize null or none, it's going to delete all column. So we have to somehow to manipulate this method and something like that. The second method is we also have method like fillna, and so it's going to be look for every non cells, and if we have non cells, it's going to be replace these nonce with the values of that we gave. Also, Also, if we can replace with the mean of the data. For example, let's take some very simple example. For example, in family, if they had 3 children, let's say first child is 3 years old, and the third child is 1 year old. But the second child's age, if we suppose it's none in our dataset, we can set data according their other children's mean of their age. So basically we are adding first child's age to the third child's age. For example, if first child is 3 years old and a third child is 1 year old, we sum and we are dividing into 2, and we are guessing that second child's age is 2. Okay, what else we have? When we importing data, basically Python, we also deal with date times, because in data frame or in our data set, all the cells, say, as I know, it's going to be string, so we have to convert rows that have date format. For that, we have to import some models like date time. We need to convert it date time format. Also, what was in the course? We have encoding and decoding formats. Python 3 use UTF-8 formatting data. So it means that every string it's going to be encoded UTF-8 format into binary, and then decoded into human readable text. So we also have to know this kind of skills, and we have to somehow manipulate and something to do something to improve our datasets quality. So I guess that's it.